together. How do you do? Boo, boo, boo. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right, one time. That's it. Hey guys, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit that bell button right next to it so you can be notified when I upload all of my videos. Also, go follow me on all my social medias at JIMIP_. Go follow your girl. Come check me out. I'm a little lit on the gram or whatever. I'm a little lit. I'm always arguing on Twitter. You might as well. Okay. So today I'm bringing you guys just some new beauty products that I've been trying out and that I have been sent. And you know, I'm just gonna let y'all know what's good and what ain't good. So let's get into this video. I think I'm gonna start off with some new masks that I had went out and bought. So I had went to Forever 21 to buy somebody a gift. So I had went ahead and got some of these sheet masks from Forever 21. So I'm sorry, sheet masks. One of them is a mask, sheet mask. One of them is just like a regular mask. But they were buy two get one free, and they were like $1.90 a piece. So I'm really into like masks and everything. I just feel like it really hydrates your skin and just strips your face of any of the unnecessary things. I've only ever used the black charcoal mask that I got from Ulta, which is really good. I love it. I love it. It really makes my face feel really smooth. I love it. But I was like, let me try out some new things. And now listen, I have really sensitive skin, so I hate trying new things and then they break me out, because I'd be like, bitch, you should have known. You should have known. I told you. But I'm like, you know, you never know. A mask with some nice products and some nice ingredients in it, you know, it made you good for the skin. So I went ahead and bought a few of them that were, had some good, that had some good ingredients in them and that just looked like they might help my skin. So the first one I got was a lavender sheet mask for oily skin. It said to purify and tone your oily skin with lavender oil essence. This is for oily skin. It's purifying and relaxing, purification, blah, blah, blah. I use this in my Get Ready With Me video, so I talked a little bit about it in that video. So if you want to, I'll leave that above. You can go ahead and click that and watch that. Just make sure you come back here. Did I like this mask? Not that I didn't like it, but it did feel like I burned. It burned. It was like, I feel like it was stinging my skin a little bit. That's just because I'm taking tretinoin cream. If you don't know what tretinoin cream is, it's basically cream that it's like a really strong cream that gets rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, basically. So I'm using that. So really anything burns my skin with that medicine just because it's so strong. And my face has been breaking out really bad. That's another reason why I got some masks. So I'm like, okay, we need to take care of this, okay? I was reading it was like a 15-minute thing. Just put it on your face and then you rub the excess in. And then after I had it on and I felt the burning sensation, I read the freaking caution and it says for external use only, avoid use on skins with blemishes, pimples, irritations, or sunburn. Who the fuck can use this? Everybody has pimples, everybody has blemishes, everybody has irritations or sunburn. Like, what? If I have perfect skin, what the fuck do I need a mask for? I mean, to keep it perfect, obviously. But what about the people that's trying to get it perfect? What the hell? And then I actually read all of them, and they all say that. But I'm not going to listen. I'm going to still use it because now that I got my makeup on and the lavender mask and everything, I actually don't mind it. It was feeling really like, and that if I could describe it as a texture, that was that. What I just did with my mouth there, that's what it felt like. I was just like that just don't feel good. But when it dried in and it really sunk into my pores, and then I applied my makeup, which looked good, girl. Go check out my Get Ready With Me, because I did a new technique in my Get Ready With Me, and girl, this makeup looked good, okay? But anyway, I like it. It doesn't feel like it's stuck to my face. It doesn't feel like really cakey or anything. It actually feels really lightweight. I don't know if it feels lightweight because the mask did a really good job, or because of the new technique that I used. I don't know, but I liked it. Holla at me in about 2 hours. I feel like it's going to do a really good job with mattifying my skin, because it really just feels like it did absorb a lot of the oils on my skin. Okay, y'all, that was a whole lie, okay? I mean, I was so oily, it doesn't even make any sense. That's a dead mission. Don't use this mask before applying makeup. period. So the next mask that I got was and this is all the brand of Love and Beauty too, from Forever 21. So this one is called the Papaya Purifying Dead Sea Mud Mask. Now, I've never had a mud mask before. I've had a charcoal one. And I was like, I've seen somebody with a mud mask before, and it looked kind of crazy. Maybe crazy means I'ma have good skin. So I went and bought it. I'm really excited about this because papaya is really good, and I heard mud masks are really good. So this is for deep cleansing and purifying. I need deep cleansing because I have I feel like I have really, really big pores, and like I feel like they just get clogged so much and so often. So I really need something that's like really deep cleaning. So yeah, some ingredients in this is dead sea salt. It's for deep cleansing, purifying. I don't know what the hell that was. Okay, it has water. I was gonna read the ingredients, but actually I'm not. Read these big ass words. So it says a unique combination of Dead Sea mud and exceptionally soothing natural ingredients such as papaya. Why do I be so out of breath? Lavender and bergamot. This purifying Dead Sea mud mask deeply cleanses and purifies your tired skin. Your girl has tired skin. It drains impurities from within. I'm very impure on the inside, leaving the skin clarified. I need clarification. More radiant, and refreshingly clean and clear. I need that. We need that. So this is another one. I'll let y'all know how they go. And then the other one that I got was this one right here. This one is the Soothing Tea Tree Oil Sheet Mask for blemished skin. It is soothing with tea tree oil and papaya extract. It says it's dermatologist tested and it's hypoallergic. Yes. Treat your skin right and get that refreshing glow with Love and Beauty's Tea Tree Oil Sheet Mask. And now, since I've used this sheet mask, and I've used another sheet mask before, I'm not too fond of sheet masks. Only because, I'm not going to say I'm not too fond of it, because I feel like they may work, because my face looks really good right now thanks to that sheet mask. But I don't like the fact that I'm leaving something on my skin, if that means anything. Because once you take the mask off, you're supposed to rub the rest of the excess stuff in. I'm more of a wash it off kind of girl, go. But I don't really moisturize my skin because I haven't found a good moisturizer. But I just bought one. I bought the aloe vera. I'm going to show y'all in a few. And I don't prime my face either, which I need to. So I'm getting on that too. But I feel like this works as a moisturizer, so I think I need to get into sheet masks, especially using one, before my makeup application. So depending on how this works today, I'm definitely going to be considering using sheet masks more often. It has alcohol in it, and at first I used to be scared of products with alcohol in it because it's drying, and I know with oily skin, if you dry out too much, it'll cause your skin to produce more oil, which is just like the polar opposite of what I need. But I also learned that alcohol does a really good job with breakouts and pimples. It does a good job at shrinking them. So I like that. So the next thing that I actually just got it from the supermarket. I had put a poll up on Instagram. Make sure you go follow me on there because I literally do polls and just question and answers and everything all the time. So make sure you go follow me on there. But I had put a poll up on Instagram, or just a question up on Instagram, and I asked people, what's a good moisturizer for oily skin, acne prone girls? So a lot of people were telling me, one was the Clinique one that I definitely still am going to get after I use this one to see how this works. But the second one was this. It is the aloe vera gel. I don't know, but they told me to get the all natural one. Don't get the one that's store made. Basically, it's already in the store. They told me not to get that one. So I went ahead and just bought this from the store. I think it was about $2 or $2.39 or $2.49 or something like that. And I'm really, really excited to try this because I heard this gives your skin so much glow and it really clears up a lot of dark spots and just blemishes and everything. I'm really excited to try this. I'll let y'all know how this goes well. We're on 2019, we're on the road to cleared skin, honestly. This thing is huge. I was like, ew, I thought it was this big. This thing, is huge. So now that we are done with the face before the makeup, now I'm gonna go in with this new beauty product that I was sent from my favorite company in the whole wide world, Influenster. I love Influencer. They are thebomb.com. They always send me amazing things and just gifts, and just feel like it's Christmas every month, and I just feel like, oh my god, like what the fuck. So if you see my last video, it was the Influencer unboxing. I had got a bunch of beauty products that I still am using to this day. I love it so much. So they sent me another box. This time it was from L'Oreal Paris, of course. This is their new Rouge signature lipstick. It says less texture, more color because you're worth it. Of course, their slogan. And it's a really cute. It's their Bare Lip Sensation Lasting Matte Impact. I love a matte lipstick, so when I got this, I was really excited. So it made me even more excited because I really just thought I was just getting one lipstick, and then I opened it and it was 3. And then I got even more excited because when I opened it and I saw 3, I seen 2 colors that I absolutely love, okay? Love. Like my go-to colors that I wear all the time. So, of course, you know, you open the box up. Same like style of box, just always a different logo or whatever on the side and everything. But same box, same style, same little paper that comes inside. And then you get the card, of course. So again, it's the L'Oreal Paris new Rouge, or was it Rouge or Rogue? I'm not sure. Signature matte colored ink. So it says sign your lips with Bare Lip Sensation. It's an innovative matte colored ink that delivers the weightless feel of a stain combined with the high color impact of liquid lipstick. This ultra comfortable non-drying matte colored ink infuses lips with a healthy even dye of color that leaves a beautiful even stain on the lips throughout wear. So some of the key benefits is ultra lightweight feel for Bare Lip Sensation, which we're going to see. Vibrant dyes and high pigments. It's lasting matte finish that's ultra comfortable. And it says it's designed with the precision applicator to shape and line your lips for a precise and perfectly applied lip every time. It's available in 12 statement shades. I have 3 of the 12. So these are the colors right here. We have Create, Roll, and Worth It. So obviously my favorites would have to be Create and Roll. I love a nude, pinkish, mauve looking lipstick, especially matte. I love that so much. And then this red is definitely a statement. I feel like L'Oreal is like signature for their red lip. I can't wait to try this. I'm not a red colored girl, but I think it's because I haven't found that red that really sits with me yet. So maybe this will be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Should I swatch it on my lips? I feel like y'all gonna want me to swatch it on my lips, and I just don't feel like it, but I feel like y'all gonna make me. Okay, so go ahead and take it off. I wear a brown lip liner with all of my lipsticks and everything, so I'm not gonna take the brown off. I'm just gonna take the nude that I had on, which was Teddy Bear or something like that from MAC. All right, so let's go in with Create first. Create is like this really cute mauve pink. It's a lighter pink though, like a baby girl pink. So let's see. They was not playing about it being lightweight. It's definitely lightweight. I'm loving this applicator tip because it does definitely fit in those like corners of your mouth and like curve to every part of your lip. It really lets you curve out your lip. This is a really natural pink. It is some transfer. It's not like completely matte, but it does give that matte look, but it's definitely not like you know what, matte lipstick, like with my Kylie Jenner lipstick, matte liquid lip is definitely 100% matte. Like once you touch it, it won't come off. This one is still giving a little bit of a like transfer, but still really cute. And I'm gonna go in with Roll. This is the other one. This is like a more mauve, like dark pink. Let's see. When I tell y'all, it really feels like water, like you're putting water on your lips. I'm gonna go in with my Prune lip liner from NYX. It's in the number SMLL 35. And it's really close to this color. I'm just gonna line it and see what that does. This is definitely really buildable, which I like, but then again, I kind of don't, because a lot of liquid lips and just matte lips in general, like one swipe and you're good. I see what they were going for though. It feels really, really light. So they call it matte, but it doesn't really look like it gets extremely matte. I give it more like I feel like the consistency to me is more like a lipstick, if anything. Not like a matte liquid lip. I don't know how to explain it, but it's definitely more like a lipstick. I want to go try this red lip. So this is Worth It. I'm going to try this one. And let's see. Oh god, this is vibrant. Oh, I messed up. This is when lip liner is okay. Oh, you know what? It cleaned up really nice because it's so watery. This red is really, really nice. This is really nice. L'Oreal did such an amazing job with these colors. The consistency of them, I feel like, is really good. They do transfer, so be careful with that. Yeah, they definitely transfer, and it should be dry right now by now, but they definitely do transfer. They are 100% lightweight. Like, you barely feel them on your lips. They're really watery, but they still give off a good pigmentation, especially this red. This one right here is probably my favorite Rouge, especially paired with this liner from the liner that I had put on from NYX. That's a really good one as well. I feel like by itself it probably be really cute as well. So they retail for $11.99 online, which I feel like is a good price, especially for L'Oreal, because they're such a great brand, but it's also like a drugstore brand, but sort of on the high end side. Whereas though a lot of high end drugstore, like, I'm sorry, whereas on the other end of high end liquid lips, you can get one for $20. Like, so I feel like this is definitely a good steal for some great colors and great pigmentation, and just a very lightweight feeling, because nobody likes to feel like they have lipstick on, like, especially the liquid lip. Like, it just dries out so bad, and I hate it. I know that everybody else hates it. So yeah, thank you again so much to Influenster and L'Oreal for sending me these three beauties right here. I cannot wait to wear them. I'm probably going to keep wearing this one right here because I'm about to go out, so I'm probably going to keep this one on right here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button down below if you enjoyed it, and leave me some comments down below. Y'all know I love talking to y'all. At this point, if y'all got to this point and y'all still are watching, y'all might as well hit that subscribe button because y'all like something, right? And I will see y'all in my next video.